The BMC elections have significantly reshaped urban politics in Maharashtra. After nearly 3 decades, the politics of India's richest municipal body have witnessed a major shift. To understand how this shift occurred, let us see now the history, political revolution, and recent developments surrounding the BMC. The BMC was established in 1888. It is India's oldest municipal corporation and one of the most powerful local governing bodies in the country. Originally formed during British rule, BMC continues to be backbone of Mumbai's civic administration. The BMC has an annual budget of approximately 55,000 to 60,000 crore rupees, making it wealthier than other Indian states.
The civic body controls roads and transport infrastructure, water supply and drainage, solid waste management, government hospitals and schools, building permissions and
Because
redevelopment.
of this financial and administrative control, the BMC election considered as politically strategic rather than local. The year 1997 marked a turning point in BMC politics. After this election, the undivided Shiv Sena established dominance over the corporation. For nearly 30 years, Shiv Sena retained control over the BMC through a strong grassroots level, Marathi identity-based mobilization. Despite the changes in the state government, Shiv Sena's grip over Mumbai remained intact. Post 2012, the Mumbai's political landscape began to change. The Bharatiya Janata Party gradually expanded its urban base, particularly among middle class voters, business communities, and North Indian and non Marathi population. This period marks the beginning of intensified political journey. In 2017 BMC election, BJP emerged as a single largest party. Although Shiv Sena retained power through post-poll arrangements, but the results clearly indicated the shift in voter preferences. The 2017 outcome was widely seen as an early warning of possible change in control. Following the 2017 elections, the next BMC polls were not conducted on schedule. From 2022 onwards, the corporation came under the administrative rule. This phase significantly altered Mumbai's municipal political dynamics. In 2022, the Shiv Sena underwent a major split. The party divided into the Uddhav Thackeray faction and the Eknath Shinde faction. This division fragmented the traditional voter base and weakened organizational unity, especially at the municipal level. During this year, voter priorities in Mumbai also evolved. Marathi identity remained important, but infrastructure, governance, and service delivery gained more importance. Attempts by Uddhav Thackeray faction and the MNS to consolidate Marathi vote were seen as delayed according to the political observers. Following the BJP's historic victory in the BMC, the senior leaders of the BJP have stated that the post of the mayor will remain with Marathi representative. Across Maharashtra, the BJP Shinde Shiv Sena alliance have secured decisive majority in 29 municipal corporations. But there is one exception. In Parbhani Municipal Corporation, the Uddhav Thackeray-led Shiv Sena faction succeeded retaining control of the civic body.
Now, the focus shifts to the next crucial question. Who will become the next mayor of Mumbai? Following the BJP's historic win, party leaders have indicated that the mayor will be a Marathi representative. However, the final decision will depend on alliance coordination and internal consultations.
Overall, the change is not sudden. Gradual shifts in voter behavior, delayed municipal elections, internal splits within regional parties. These are some factors have reshaped political landscape of Mumbai and urban Maharashtra.